Hello guys, and welcome back to another PrizeCP Roblox Studio Tutorial. In this tutorial, we're gonna learn how to create custom materials or textures with the new Roblox AI material generator. This new feature is still a beta feature, so first let's enable it first. We're gonna go to File, Beta Features, and scroll down to Material Generator. I already have it, so you can see that my box is checked right here. If you don't already have it, just check that box and click Save. It's gonna ask you to restart Studio, so go ahead and do that. Once you're all done, open up Studio and we get started. Here you can see I have two different parts. I have part 1 and part 2. And with the new beta feature, you're gonna have a button up here for Material Generator. Click on that. There's a little box here. You can enter your request inside this box. And there's a suggestion here, for example, ancient stone wall. Let's try that. Ancient stone wall. Click on generate. It's gonna generate a couple different options for you. And there we have it. So let's take a look at the first one. And I'm gonna zoom in to this part so we can see better. Alright, so if I select this one, that's how my part is gonna look like. Down here you can see studs per tile. I can make it smaller or larger. Here I have a box, organic, so I can make it organic or non-organic. I'll just make it organic. That's the name of it. And base material, so you need to select a base material. So I'll just say it's concrete. Once you're all done, click Save and Apply Variant. And it's done. And now if you go to your part 2 right here, you can see there's a material variant here. So it has added ancient stone wall to the material variant. If you want to remove it, you can just click on this new property, material variant, and click none to remove it. Or if you want to put it back, just click on it and select ancient stone wall to bring it back. Alright, and now if we play and take a look. And there is our wall, and you can see that this wall is actually made up of this material because it's not just a texture that is covering one face of the wall, but you can go all around the wall to the other side, and you can see that the entire wall is made up of this new material variant. Let's go back to Studio. All right, so if I close this, we do have other options here. So let me select a different option. And what if we select this one? So that's how it's gonna look like. And again, you got the same options here to adjust to the way you want it to be. That's option number 2. Here's option number 3. And you can go through all the different options, see how it looks like. This one looks kind of cool. And how about we make it organic? You see, when I make it organic, it looks more like random. Like here, everything is lining up, I think. If I make it organic, things are more random. So if you like that material, you can click Save and Apply Variant again. But I want to try something else different now. I want to make my own custom material, custom texture, you can say. Outer space with stars. And I'm gonna click on Generate. I guess all of them have stars in them, right? So we're just gonna select the ones we want. These are previously generated when we first started with the wall. So it's gonna be just these 4. Say if I like this one, I'm gonna click on this one, and that's how it looks like. How about I say outer space with stars, and I'm gonna add an planet. And click on Generate. Wow, this one looks much better. So let me see. Let me take a look at this one. Let me see. Less. It looks like wallpaper. Okay, that looks pretty good. And how about we add like something more to it? So let me close this one, and planets and a spaceship. Generate. All right, look at that. I have planets with stars. This one has two spaceships. This one has one spaceship. Uh, wow, that's pretty cool. Wow, look how many options I have now. So how about I pick this one right here, or maybe this one. Okay, so how about let me try the second one. Okay, so I'll pick this one, and so this is more like a texture that contains stars and planets and a spaceship, right? And so we're just gonna go. Oh, how about organic here? Oh, that looks cool. Organic looks good. And we're gonna save and apply variant. Oh, don't forget the base material. So this one will pick fabric. Save, apply variant, and it's done. Let's now play and take a look. So there it is. There's our planets with the spaceship and the stars. And where's the other one? The other one is an ancient brick wall. So now I have created two different material variants. So if I want to change them, say if I want to create a new part here, right? I can put in a new part here, right? And it already has the spaceship on it. Let me scale it, make it bigger. So this one already has the material variant outer space. Let me close this. Okay, so when I close it, it goes back to normal. Let me see if I can pick the material variant here from the list, right? From the drop down. So I already have two different material variants here. I can either make this an ancient stone wall, or if I like, I can make it the outer space. And the third option would be to select none, and then I can make my own part. Alright everyone, that's how you use the new beta feature to customize your material and textures in Roblox using the new Roblox AI material generator. Thank you all for watching. We will see you in our next tutorial. Take care.